Yep, another excursion video. There's my rattle. A rock. Sounds like there's a rock up there too. I gotta get after this thing and get it painted under here. Alrighty, so here's what we're doing. Trying to make all these lights work again, and I now have all 4 of them working again. The, whatchamacallits were totally rotten. These are the factory, what would you call this, receptacle? Yeah, light receptacle, and as you can see, very rotten and wet. I did just steam the thing, or power wash it, but very corroded. These are new Amazonians, and an LED bulb. Part number, what is that? That's really probably not the part number. There's your part number. 1 Papa 1497 socket. Yep, I think these were like $2 a piece. And now we have all 4 running board lights again. It's the little things, people. It's the little things. Next up is the hubs. Ain't that pretty in there? This hub is junk, but it is pretty in there. All right, let's get the new one in there. New hub. All right, there's the new hub installed. Locked. Auto. Free. Show you what that does. Watch that knuckle. Not. Oh, it's moving. What? There we go. Not moving. Moving. Not moving. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man sitting outside of, let's see, can you see what it is? Oh, there it is, way over there. Rural King. The old Excursion here. I just put a new battery in this thing not long ago, and, well, let's just say that it doesn't hold a charge very long. I took it and washed it the other day, and while I was washing it, I accidentally left the lights on. And I think I put 8 minutes on the timer. By the time I got back to it, it wouldn't start. I have gotten pretty good at bringing the jump pack with me so that it will start, but I'm sitting here right now. The key is on the battery, or the lights are on. I'm trying to kill the battery so that I can go in and exchange this brand new battery for another new one. While we're waiting on the battery to die, I did install this the other day. There was one on the passenger side, but the driver's side here now has one too. So these Excursions, I don't know if they ever came with them or not, but this one didn't have one. It was just as simple as finding another truck that had one, and I took it out of there, drilled a couple holes in here, and I'll put in I'll put in a picture here of where those holes were supposed to be in that A-pillar on the pinch seam. Drilled some 1/4-inch holes in there, used the factory screws that were thread cutters anyway, and got it in there. I also installed a nice set of new mirrors, as you can see there, on both sides. I've been sitting here for maybe 5 minutes, and I can tell you already it's not going to start. I haven't been here for 5 minutes. It won't even do nothing. All right, it's in park. I mean, it's not even clicking. That battery is junk. Garbage. All right, so I got it to click. Junk. Stinking junk, man. Can't buy anything good today. All right, so we're gonna get this battery out of here. Get the old Icon kit, and we're gonna take it back to the Rural King and get me a new one. New battery is installed. Let's see how she works now. Oh, that's a little better, huh? No hassle. I guess it was just a junk battery from the Rural King. All better now.